Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can add music to your Canva video. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open Canva right here, and then you have to click here on video. Now Canva is going to give you some templates that you can use, and you can use the formats of the video from here. Like if you want to make it a simple 1080p video, if you want to make it an Instagram story, or you want to make the format like a mobile video or an Instagram reel or a TikTok video, that's completely up to you. I'll click this. And from these templates, we can select any video that we want. Okay, let's go with this one. We're going to drag it right here. So this is the video. Now, if we want to add music here, what we need to do is we have to go here uh, to apps. And here we have to click audio. Now, this will open up a list of different audios, music that we can use for our video. We can, select if you want the genre to be happy. There's a subcategory as well, like happy children tunes or advertising or happy instrumental or happy birthday. That's like completely up to us how we want to do it. We can also use upbeat music as well. Completely up to us. Let me just try. So we can use this music, and I'm going to increase the volume so we can hear it better. Now what we have to do is we have to hold and drag this. We can drag the music either here on the video or below it. That's completely up to us. I'm going to do it here. Wait a second. Here you go. Now, the best thing about Canva is that it's going to trim it for you and make it, in the perfect position for you. Now, we can also click here on these three dots. Wait a second. Yeah, we can click here and we can copy it. We can duplicate it. We can delete it. We can also use fading. If you want to fade in and fade out, we can control the volume. We can also split the audio if we want to. Or the most important, we can also click on beat sync. Now, this is a very interesting feature by Canva that if we want to make the beats of this audio or any audio or music sync with our video, we can click on beat syncs and it is going to do it for us through AI or automatically. So this is how you add music to your video. There's one more way that you can do it. You can click here on uploads and you can record yourself firstly if it's a voiceover that you want to do, or you can upload files that you want either from your drive, Dropbox, or from your folder, laptop folder or system folder as well. So if we click here, we can upload files from right here that we can use in the video. So that's how easy it is. That's how you do it. And it's going to upload it right here. And after uh, the video is uploaded here, I have some uploads of my own as well. We can try that. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to put this here. So here you go. So that was said. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.